movement presents just this evening I do this with bio and marker.
It's a good Saturday night and I'm chilling. This people dancing that they can out and drum, Jesus. There's a reason it's far from people eating food. It's for your own safety, for your own health and safety. That's why it's very far. It's only water. It's very, you cannot even drink at all. Not like that, that's not volume. The dance drum, like I do like this. Jesus, close your mouth. Yeah, it's not to me.
It's not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be?
We can be the change we want to see and the solution to the shared existential challenges in our society. Together we can make it count, one day at a time. So we look forward to further collaboration and more uplift activities in 2025 and beyond. Better days are coming and the best is yet to come. We're going to have a town hall in the months to come where we come together and really spell out our manifesto for our society.
Stand by. movement. Alright, you're a fine Jesse. He's like the man.